Hey everyone, this is a quick video about my favorite detailing product that's not really a detailing product. Today I'm going to be talking about glass cleaners. So this is a product made for commercial window cleaners, right? This is Unger EasyGlide glass cleaner. The brand Unger is a really big name, like in the professional window cleaning industry. They make a lot of tools, a lot of different products and stuff like that, specifically geared towards professionally cleaning glass. You can buy this at Home Depot and online. I just checked the price. So this bottle right here is only $13 and it's really highly dilutable. You'll see here on the bottle that it makes 25 gallons or 94 liters. So that means a gallon of actual usable window cleaner only costs about 52 cents. So it's really, really cost effective. It's available anywhere, and I'm telling you, if you only use this on cars, this size bottle will last you a lifetime, right? I actually use this all around the house to clean mirrors. You can clean stainless steel appliances with it. It's great, like on like any kind of shiny surface, really. And I actually do. I clean the windows of my house with this, and it works great. It's really slippery. It eats through dirt and grime really well. And so what I'm going to do here next is I've got a bottle of this mixed up. I'm going to go over to the car and we'll actually show you how this works on a dirty windshield. Okay, so here we are over at the car. You'll see my windshield is pretty dirty here, and I'm going to show you exactly how well this works on the windshield. So if you've just got done washing your car and you're just doing a final cleaning to get the streaks off and the water spots and stuff like that, you won't really need this first step. But I have not just washed my car, right? Like, this is dirty. I wanted to show it to you on a completely dirty windshield. If I'm doing this, right, you'll always have this streak of grime on the driver's side of the windshield, right, where the wipers have kind of pushed everything, like if you used your wipers, right? And what I don't want to do is I don't want to spread that all over the windshield as I'm cleaning it, right? So the first thing that I like to do before I do the rest of the windshield is I take a kind of a junk towel here, right? Like, this is a towel that I wouldn't use on paint, and I just give that a quick hit. And then we're going to take that and we're going to swipe it right down this dirty edge here. Right? Now, all that grime that was right there on that edge is in my towel. Okay? Now, I'm just going to toss that towel to the side. Not going to use it anymore. We're going to pick up our diluted glass cleaner, and I'm just going to mist the window. You don't need a lot with this stuff, guys. That's what I'm saying. That bottle will last you forever. Now, I've got a folded low pile microfiber towel here, right? And I'm just going to go over it. I do a crosshatch pattern. So you can see it's pretty good, but we're going to get it better, right? So we flip the towel over to our dry side. And again, just very lightly back and forth crosshatch pattern. Super simple, right? And what you're left with every time is sparkling, clean, crystal clear glass. No streaks. Nothing left behind, right? This product has served me well for a long time. I'm going to continue using it. I've tried invisible glass. I've tried dedicated automotive glass cleaners, right? And invisible glass works good, right? I've got no complaints about invisible glass, right? But my problem with it is you can't buy it in a dilutable quantity, right? All you can buy are those 16 ounce, plastic bottles, right? So even though it's cheap, this stuff is way cheaper. Remember, this is 52 cents for a gallon. And so, like I said, this is the value king here. And what I also love about this is how diverse it is as far as how it can be used. Like I said, stainless steel appliances, mirrors in your house, the windows of your house. This works good on a lot of surfaces and it leaves nothing behind. I've never had any issue with streaking or anything. So anyway, I hope this helps some of you guys out. I highly recommend going and picking some of this up at your local Home Depot or online. Let me know what you think about it if you try it out. I'd really like to know. Take care.